For you, Honorable Chief Guest, respectable teachers, additional district education officers, AC, Lower and Central Kuram, and Elder, and my brave soldier, Assalamu alaikum. Honorable Chief Guest, Pakistan has created on 14th August 1947. Every year, this day is marked by every Pakistani with a great firm and show. This day, the milestone and the history of Pakistan, this day is given as a significance as the largest Muslim state came into being under a great leadership of dynamic personality Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. It could possible due to uncaring effort and struggle of Quaid and ulama of subcontinent. Respected sir, 14th August has a prime importance for a number of reasons. The first and foremost reason is that Pakistan is a society based on Islamic ideology. Besides this, Pakistan is only Muslim country which are possessing a neutral power of the world. The last but not least, Pakistan is country where people are belonging from different communities are fully allowed for their tradition and culture value and so forth and so on. On this day, all Pakistani pay tribute to those who rendered sacrifices their sins for their motherland and celebrate it with zeal and enthusiasm. Respected sir, the history of Muslim is a continuous struggle of hundreds of Muslims of subcontinent. Remember the day when the whole Muslim united for a great cause of Pakistan. Remember the day when the whole Muslim united, to have a demand, to have a separate homeland. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बटके रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. लेके रहेंगे पाकिस्तान, बटके रहेगा हिंदुस्तान. सीने पे गोली खाएंगे, पाकिस्तान बनाएंगे. Respected sir, it was the dream of Allama Muhammad Iqbal, in which was the founder of Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. And now, by the grace of Allah, due to untiring effort of Quaid, we can spend our life freely for Pakistan. Respected sir, being a Muslim in Pakistan, it is our duty to provide a system of justice, equality, rule of law, democracy, governance, and justice should be provided equally to every citizen of Pakistan, and justice should be ensured for eradication of terrorism, extremism, nepotism, favoritism, and otherism. Being a member of Islamic society, we should unite for a challenge faced by Ummati Muslimah today. And we must act upon by Quaid saying unity, peace, and discipline. Respected sir, I want to see Pakistan is more progressive and is more prosperous country before even. And may Allah bless Pakistan with uncountable blessing. Ameen. I conclude my speech by saying some words of अहमद नदीम कासमी. खुदा करे कि मेरे अर्ज़ पाक पे उतरे, वो पसले गुल जिसे अंदेशे ज़वाल ना हो. यहाँ जो फूल खिले वो खिला रहे बरसों. कि यहाँ खज़ां को गुजरने के भी मजाल ना हो. पाकिस्तान पाइंदाबाद. वस्सलाम.